Hello, my name is Attilio Rubino, and I head research and development at the Rubino Group. Today, I would like to talk to you about the new VISPULHALF self-centering timing pulleys. Designed to innovatively guide DOLPHINE tooth belts and timing belts. There is a hemispherical conduit at the center of the gearing, in which a circular gasket is lodged that connects to the conduit located above the toothed belt or the timing belt. Using this innovative centering system, coupled with pitch TV10 and TV20, the winding diameters on the driven and guide pulleys can be reduced to a minimum of up to 15 mm in diameter. VISPULHALF is an advantageous alternative to conventional timing pulleys with trapezoidal conduit that involve greater winding diameters. Can also be manufactured with silver ion BTC treatment over the entire surface of the pulley, giving it permanent antibacterial properties. Reduction in the costs of the feed system structure and associated energy conservation. Perfect centering precision in the coupling between timing belt and pulley. Greater flexibility in bend and in reverse bend. Can be implemented on all types of tooth pitches. The absence of the trapezoidal guide does away with the risk of overheating and wear and tear to the timing belt. Suitable for uses on power transmissions and synchronized transports of any geometric shape. VISPULHALF pulleys can be widely used in countless applications, for example, linear conveyance systems, industrial automation, robotic actuators, vertical storage buildings, product sorting lines, and in all applications calling for maximum feed precision. You can consult our site vision-tech.it for more information. Thank you and see you soon.